Hi, my name is Chiles Cridlin. I'm here with Oklahoma Joe's, and I'm here to talk to you about Scotch eggs.
We're gonna light a little fire, we're gonna get the charcoal rolling, and then we're gonna come and start prepping. It's a hard-boiled egg wrapped in sausage, rub over top of it, put it in the smoker, and head it with a little maple syrup, and cut them up to serve it. You can cook it on almost anything. I'm gonna squeeze them out because I don't want all that water that's in the bottom of them. Roll them around on that paper towel. The drier they are, the easier it is to make them. Start with the sausage cold, cut them in half first. Cut each half into thirds. Form what I call a little nest in your hand. This sausage is really cold, it's got ice crystals in it, so I'm actually just holding it here to let it warm up. Apply liberally. 1 pan of Scotch eggs, ready to go on the smoker. I'm going to adjust the exhaust, 1/3 open. We're going to let this thing come up to temperature. I'm looking for 300 degrees, but the eggs are already cooked, so all we really have to do is cook the sausage. And we're looking for a final temperature of that sausage to be about 180 degrees. They've got plenty of color on them. They're starting to crack a little bit. So let's take these to the next step. Okay, take these over here. I have maple syrup. Just make a good drizzle. There we go. All right, so the Scotch eggs are done, and we're gonna cut them up for serving. It's our signature dish. It's become pretty popular, and I'm always happy to share it.